Okay, so I wanted to go over the September condominium prices, the apartment condos, and I wanted to go through the 700 square feet to 1,000 two-bedroom condos. I wanted to make sure I picked a property class that wasn't too wide. I don't want, $3 million condos. I want the typical buyer, and I want to find, and I actually made sure that these are only ones with elevators. I didn't want to include, walk-up units. That's a separate issue, and they tend to be a lot cheaper in price. And and the laundry would be in unit, so no hall laundries, that kind of thing. So we're going to get into this. I wanted to add in the first 3 months of the April, May, and June into there. We get 516 sales there. That gives us an average sale price of 288. We want to see if this interest rate actually, reduce the prices over our time here. And we got our median price, which should be close to 266 over most of the condos. On average, these were 866 square feet, and they sold in 34 days. That's pretty good for our condo market right now, actually. We look at July, the property prices were 276, a little bit lower on average, and the days on market was 39. If we go to August, we got 271, so it looks like it dropped a little bit. We had 138 sales, so the sales dropped a little bit from July. Of course, these are not our top high months for the year. And 48 days on market, so a little bit longer, but not much as a statistic. And even as a statistic, this isn't a big change. It might even not even be a change at all. And then we've got the market going up in the last 30 days. Yeah, I don't want to use 20 days from the market because that's not very many for September, but I would say we're probably looking at about the same prices we had. If anything, looks like September prices were even higher, but the days on market were 49, a little bit higher than before. And so, the market really hasn't changed, even though we've got all this threat of high interest rates. And I've been telling a few people is that with the amount of people that are being driven down in price because of the interest rates, it might drive people into buying condos, and it might actually increase the sales. The other thing is that there's going to be a very rich market for the rental market and apartment condos that there maybe wasn't before, and that is because the higher interest rates might turn renters. It'll turn buyers into renters. Usually it's the opposite. Usually when the interest rates go down, everybody who was a renter now can buy. This is going to be a little bit opposite. It's going to change, and it may cause the rental prices to go up because the landlords are going to have to charge more for rent on their apartment condos that they're going to be renting them out. So if you like this video and you want to see more and more interesting property classes, or you want to know about south or north facing backyards, if that makes a price difference, or walkout basements, or apartment videos, all kinds of different statistics, you can check my channel. Also, message me through my channel or through email, and check out my website and have a look and see if I've got a video for you, or you can always request me to do an individual report for yourself. I'd be happy to do that on any house or condo that you've got, or one that you're interested in and you want to know more about the value or proposed value. There's lots of things that change in the marketplace, and there's a lot of reasons why properties are worth more or less based on their locations and all that good stuff. So check my channel and shoot me a message.